your products aren't selling the way you want, it's probably not the product, it's the marketing. Because one of the most fundamental rules of sales is this: people don't like to be sold, they like to be related to. That's why a polished studio ad from a big influencer with 1 million followers will often lose to a shaky phone video from someone with 10,000. Because one feels like an ad, but the other feels like a recommendation from someone real and it feels relatable. That's the whole reason UGC works. It's authentic, it's personal, and it converts. But the problem is that doing it the traditional way is a nightmare. You're shipping products, waiting on creators, chasing revisions, and by the time the ad is done, the trend is dead and your budget is gone. So I tested every AI tool that promises to fix this, and one of them actually does. It's called DesignKit, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to create ultra-realistic UGC ads, faster and cheaper than you ever thought possible. So there are two methods and both of them work, and I want you to stick around till the end because the results genuinely shocked me. So method 1 is to recreate what's already working. Viral ads are almost never luck. If you keep seeing the same ad format everywhere, it's because it converts and someone is spending serious money keeping it running. The smart move isn't to copy it manually, it's to let AI do it in minutes. Inside DesignKit, click AI viral video generator and you'll land on a page with a lot of options to choose from. You can create unboxing content, review content, basically any type of UGC ad. You can also pick your target audience and market, which is very important if you're creating ads for an audience in a different country. And DesignKit is very good at replicating viral content. It can closely recreate original video structure, style transitions, and overall flow. And it's good in the beginning because you don't need to start from scratch, spending extra time testing what works. To replicate something that already went viral, there's an option to recreate a video. Press it and you'll be able to upload your product images and a reference video. So I'll upload the ad I want replicated in the reference section.
Everyone is obsessed with this iconic heart-shaped bottle.
And for the product, I'll use the GOAT's own perfume line, CR7 by Cristiano Ronaldo. And I'll tell something where most beginners make a mistake. In the selling point section, you can write a prompt, but don't just write one vague sentence. Write a clean, categorized instructions like I did. You can see the exact prompt structure I used. When you structure your prompt like a creative brief instead of a single vague sentence, your results instantly get better. Why? Because AI performs best when it has a clear direction. A structured prompt removes a guesswork by breaking your vision into specific categories: the product, the model, the visual style, the key selling points. Instead of saying make a cool perfume ad, you're giving the AI the same kind of instructions a real brand director or marketing agency would use. I'll click generate and wait for the results.
I kept seeing this Lempicka EBT all over my FUP. Everyone
I kept seeing this everywhere and I finally got it. This CR7 fragrance is an absolute
The guy is
game
sitting in the car exactly like the reference video. He's holding the exact perfume we wanted to promote and it feels completely ultra realistic, exactly like I wanted. Now method 2 is to build something original. Sometimes you want to try something unique and experiment. So let me show you how I would create a clothing ad completely from scratch. Go to Video Agent and select UGC video generation. The settings are the same as before, but now instead of replicating something existing, you're building from the ground. For this one, I'm promoting a clothing brand. I uploaded the clothes I want to feature and I wrote a prompt asking for outfit transitions, and I made sure to mention my target audience. This time, when the storyboard came up, I wanted to make one adjustment. I went in and manually added a call to action at the end asking people to check the link in the comments for the outfit. That CTA matters because it's what actually funnels viewers to your website instead of just watching and scrolling away. And just like the first method, the results actually stunned me. The clothes were replicated perfectly, down to every little detail. The fit, the color, the texture, it genuinely looks like a real creator filmed this in their own space. One thing worth noting is that I expected the character to speak on camera, but it used a voiceover instead. However, it still worked really well. But if you want your character to speak directly to the camera, just mention that in your prompt and it'll do exactly that. So it was a fast tutorial, two methods, both take minutes, both produce ads that look and feel completely real. No shipping, no waiting, no missed deadlines. That's DesignKit, and that's how you stop burning money doing UGC the hard way. So if you're running some kind of dropshipping business, try to use UGC ads to get more sales and improve conversion rate. And for more AI videos like this, go follow my second channel, AI Help Guy.